While many schools include a kit in their course fees, we've made ours optional. Why? Our training is product neutral. We teach using artistic nail design products like color gloss, but our priority is your education, not brand loyalty. Of course, ideally, you'd still buy everything that you need from us, but we understand some of you may already have products or work in a salon that uses specific brands. We don't want anyone to pay for products they don't need. If you want to buy a kit from us to set yourself up from home, you can do so when you enroll or at any time afterwards. There's no rush. The kit includes everything you need to practice the skills learned during your lessons. The items are full size, and we anticipate you using some of them up during your training. We don't anticipate you running out of anything. This should be everything that you need. Alternatively, you can buy items individually as needed, and a recommended kit list is provided within each module. Or you can use your own supplies.